Yankees acquire Juan Soto in a blockbuster 7-player trade with Padres. In a stunning move, the New York Yankees have acquired superstar outfielder Juan Soto in a major 7-player trade with the San Diego Padres. This marks the second time that Soto, who is still under 26 years old, has been traded, showcasing the dynamic talent he possesses at such a young age. Both the Yankees and Padres confirmed the trade, which sees Soto and fellow outfielder Trent Grisham being sent from San Diego to the Bronx. This trade is likely to send shockwaves throughout the Major League Baseball (MLB) community, as Juan Soto is widely regarded as one of the premier young players in the game today. With his impressive hitting ability, exceptional fielding skills, and strong arm, Soto has quickly become a dominant force on the field. He has consistently showcased his talents since his debut, making an impact on every game he plays. The acquisition of Soto is a significant coup for the Yankees, adding yet another marquee player to their already star-studded roster, with the likes of Aaron Judge and Giancarlo Stanton already in their outfield. Soto's addition further solidifies their status as a formidable force in the American League. The Yankees are known for their high-profile acquisitions, and this trade only reinforces their commitment to assembling a championship-caliber team. On the other side of the trade, the Padres have also made a noteworthy move by parting ways with Soto. While fans may be disappointed to see him leave, this trade provides the Padres with valuable assets in return. Trent Grisham, who is also being sent to the Yankees, has proven himself as a reliable outfielder with a strong bat. The Padres will undoubtedly benefit from his contributions to their lineup. It is worth noting that this is the second time Juan Soto has been traded before his 26th birthday, a testament to his immense talent and market value in the MLB. Teams are eager to acquire a player of Soto's caliber, and his ability to make an immediate impact on any team he joins is a highly sought-after commodity. As with any major trade, there are bound to be varying opinions and reactions from fans, analysts, and players alike. Some may question the motives behind the trade, while others will eagerly anticipate the incredible potential that Soto brings to the Yankees. Regardless, this trade demonstrates the ever-evolving landscape of professional baseball and the willingness of teams to make bold moves in pursuit of success. Only time will tell how this trade ultimately pans out for both the Yankees and the Padres. However, one thing is certain: Juan Soto's arrival in New York injects a new level of excitement and anticipation into the Yankees organization, and provides them with yet another offensive powerhouse to contend with in the race for a championship.